July 5th, 2022. This one here I got a call from a lady. She wants me to go by there and check her AC. I guess she's got a couple of units there and just wants to make sure that they're okay. They're working all right. So we're going to go by there and take a peek-see at it. Check the filters and run the unit. Make sure everything's working okay for her. If there's anything we can see that's a problem. We'll once over. Not every time, you know, you get a call and things are broken. Sometimes they just want to do like check on it, make sure it's okay, every charge is good, the filters are good. It's an older lady. A lot of times their husband had passed on and he used to take care of that stuff for them and type of stuff. Miss Molly wanted to go to work today. You love working with her. You love working. Alright, we got an inverter here. I did check. It's 410, I believe. I did check the inside. The filters are good. Yeah, it's 410. I'm going to open it up and see. Mini split, you really got to put it in by weight, but we could check and see if it's close. Obviously, the suction's going to be above 100. Well, ice. Well, looks like it's already icing now. See how it's icing? It's low. See how it's icing? She's a low. How low can she go? Somebody's been here. See, it's turning to ice. We got to get some gas in it. .410. I gotta go inside and lower it more. Bolt down so it runs. I did check the filters were good. 47, she's low. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it some juice. See, that's low. It's starting to ice already, so. We'll give it some how you doing. Gonna bring it up above 100. .410A. See how it's starting to ice? Oh, good. She's a licker. She's a licker, Mama. She's a licker. It's starting to ramp up now. It's feeling better. It's feeling its oats now. A little juice. Little jism juice in there. Want to be above 100, like 120 or something. It's a leaker anyway, so I wonder what year it is. It's a leaker. According to this, I think it might be a 01. You don't want to overshoot it because it's still at 93, and see that's slow for 410. Give it some more juice. It's not icing on this one anymore. This one's starting to come back better too. Give it too much. I get them both turned down. These are both low sides. This is the three zone control though. I'm surprised it's she's a leaker. She's a leaker. Alright, see we're at 130 there. That's better. It's gonna work now. Had to give it a little jism juice, mama. Gotta be above 100. We're kind of close to 100 there. We'll probably give it a little bit more. Give it a little more. How you doing? Give it a little bit more. See, it's a leaker. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She needs a douche. I'm good with the 118. I mean, that's fine. Gonna work good now. Good enough for this neighborhood. This is 5/16 by quarter. It's a special adapter you need for the mini splits.